All right. Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Freudenberg, and this is AP Physics C Mechanics. Let you know a little bit about the class to see if you want to take it. All right. So basically, make sure you meet the prereqs, which is a 3-5 in science, completion of physics, which most of you had if you went to Sacred Heart. And you need to be in calculus or have completed calculus. Okay. So, but if you're concurrently enrolled next year, you're planning to take either calc or AB calc or BC or whatever, then you're good to go for this. Okay. But just check that requirement. Okay. All right. The physics C test is basically the equivalent of a first semester college class. Okay. It has 2 sections, equal weighting. Okay. The pass rate for this test nationally is pretty high. Mostly, I think it's kind of because of the nature of the kids that take it, but you got a pretty good shot at passing the test. It has a pretty high pass rate. Okay, topics covered pretty much are listed here. It's roughly what we did in freshman physics, but obviously a little more difficult. No circuits or waves or anything like that. And also it has a rotation, which is what makes everything a little bit tougher than freshman physics. Plus, you know, it's just more advanced. Okay, there's not as much calculus as you may think, so don't be scared off by the calculus aspect of it. 80% of it can be solved without calculus at all. Very occasionally, there's kind of an advanced BC level calculus, but I'll never put that on one of our tests. Okay, you may see it on the AP test, but I won't put that on one of ours. Okay, so it's not quite as much calculus as you may think, so don't be scared off by that. Okay, a lot of past kids said that they expected the physics class to be more like calculus classes. But it's also very conceptual. Okay, so it's not just the math. There's a lot of concepts that you actually need to understand and be able to explain. Okay. All right, so my philosophy real quick, it's not all about the AP test. I need you to learn solid physics. I want you to go to college and be successful in the physics classes that you take in college. And if you're going into engineering, I wouldn't AP out of this class anyway, even if you get a 5, okay? Other majors, I might, okay? But it's a fine line. We have to push quickly. There's a lot of material. It's sometimes pretty tough, but you'll learn a lot and you'll be really well prepared going to college. If you don't take AP physics and you go into engineering or something, a lot of kids have had a more advanced level physics than we have as freshmen. So just kind of keep that in mind, right? If you want to do that, you might get some of your background now, okay? I want to, in and out of class, we're mostly trying to be active in class. We're doing things. There is some lecturing, which I don't love, but sometimes we have to do it. But there's a lot of group work and labs. Out of class, you have to do a lot of practice work. Sometimes it takes a long time, sometimes not, just depending on how well you're understanding it. And so there is a fair amount of out of class work, which I think is not uncommon for an AP class. Okay, bottom line, it's a fast-paced class. I'm pretty chill and I'm pretty flexible on deadlines and this kind of stuff. You're almost adults. I expect that you know what to do. I expect that you're working hard. If you're not planning to work hard, don't take this class, right? Don't come and just be like, oh, I want to slack through this class. That's not happening. Okay, so, but if you want to work and you want to learn, I'm absolutely there to support you. I think everybody knows how available I am in general to the students. So you can expect that I will be right there with you every step of the way. Okay, but you got to pull your weight too. Okay, and it will be really fun. It's tough, and sometimes we all complain about it, but it will definitely be fun also. Okay. Couple quick pictures I pulled. Obviously, this was from non-pandemic times. We do a lot of whiteboard solving in class together. We do a lot of lab work. This was a little flying pig lab, which everyone really likes. Okay, and then I want to show you this video. Let's see if it'll show. We do some different challenges, like kind of once we come to the end of the unit, we'll try to do some kind of fun challenge. This was the toilet paper drop, which we've not yet done this year. I'm hoping maybe later we can do it. Okay. And that's pretty much what to expect. So if you have any questions or you just want to chat, you're like, I'm not sure if I should take this. Do you think I should take it? Should I take this or this? You know, feel free to reach out to me either by email. I can give you my Zoom office hours link. I'm happy to meet with you to chat. I'm not currently on campus, so make sure that you email me or I can Zoom talk to you if you have any questions or want further information. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you very much. And I will include a few clips, hopefully, of, if I get them all in, of my current students letting you know about the class. All right, so thank you.
AP Physics is a class you don't take just for an AP credit. It's one you take because you want to learn about physics and what makes the world the world. It's very challenging, definitely, but it's worth the work.
Hi, I totally recommend taking AP Physics next year if you can. It's an amazing course. We get to learn about everything, basically energy, kinematics, just how the world works in general. And I found that really interesting because I've always liked working with my hands and figuring things out logically. So this course just works really well for me. And I love the format of the class. Miss F is an amazing teacher. You'll have a fantastic year if you take this class.
Miss F really knows what she's doing, and she's always there to help us out, and AP Physics is a great introduction to college physics, so if that's what you're interested in, sign up.
Hey guys, it's Marina. I'm a senior and I'm currently taking AP Physics. It's been challenging but fun, and if you're willing to put in the work, you'll have a great time with Miss F, who's dedicated, helpful, and overall really awesome. I'm hoping to pursue architecture, so AP Physics has been a great foundation, and I hope you guys choose to take it.
Hi, so I'm taking AP Physics now, and I would suggest the class if you like math and problem solving. And this class has challenged me a lot, each week, and taught me how to solve my way through problems that I don't know how to do at first, but then just keep trying or whatever. So it will help you learn how to do that. Problem solving. Great. Okay, bye.
You should take AP Physics. It's a really fun class. You get to meet lots of smart people, and all the teachers are great. Well, as far as I'm aware, Miss Freudenberg's the only teacher for it, and she's a great teacher. If you do the work and you try your best, you will get a good grade in the class. And one of my favorite things about this class is just kind of learning about how the world works. For me, physics is already one of my favorite sciences, but I guess it's just kind of neat knowing all the terms for how everything works, like torque, force on a spinning object, and understanding why friction happens. Well, not really why, but how friction works and everything. It's just kind of neat. So you should try taking this class if you're a hard worker.